Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm really excited to share something that's going to completely change how you play Superstore Simulator. I've found a brand new method to get unlimited cash and energy, and the best part is that it's super easy and works for both iOS and Android. Now, I've already tested it out on my phone, and as you can see, I've got a ridiculous amount of resources, way more than I could ever need. And I promise, you can do the same if you follow the steps I'm about to show you. Don't worry. This isn't one of those complicated hacks that takes hours to figure out. It's straightforward, and all you need to do is watch the video closely and follow along step by step. By the end, you'll have more cash and energy than you know what to do with. Imagine how much faster you'll be able to level up and expand your store. So, if you're ready to unlock endless resources and take your game to the next level, grab your phone and let's get started with the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called lucidplugin.com. Lucid Plugin is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for My Superstore Simulator and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation Completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.